I've been cleaning my home for years, so I know where robots usually struggle. They leave dirty edges, smear spills around, get tangled with hair, or need constant maintenance. So today I'm putting the new ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni through some real cleaning tests around my home. If your home looks anything like mine, there's always something on the floor, whether it's crumbs, spills, dust, or hair. You need something that can actually keep up without creating more work for you. The DEEBOT T90 was designed for busy families, pet owners, and value-driven buyers who really need cleaning power, not just specs. It solves stubborn stains, edge dust, hair tangles, noise, and constant maintenance, delivering true flagship performance at a price that's easier to afford. I did have some normal day-to-day cleaning, so I'm going to tackle that first. Also, when you are using robots, you do want to typically make sure everything is picked up out of the floor, especially for the mapping process, because it has to map out your entire house to make sure you get the most efficient cleaning. After I cleaned, I did create a mess challenge just to make sure you guys get a really good detailed review, just to see how well this vacuum cleaner can clean up a crazy mess. This robot uses an Osmo Roller 3.0 with a 27cm mop roller, delivering continuous scrubbing that actually lifts stains instead of smearing dirt like traditional pad-based robots. The roller is also washed in real time with clean water, preventing dirty mop streaks and secondary contamination throughout the entire cleaning session. So I've challenged this robot to clean several different crazy messes, and the biggest difference I've noticed is that it isn't just dragging a wet pad across the floor. The roller is continuously washing itself while it cleans with fresh water, so it keeps lifting the mess instead of just moving it around. It handles cleanings in just one pass, and it also has temperature control mop washing. It automatically chooses the appropriate wash temperature by room and soil level. It has a stronger wash where it matters, like kitchens. I had a blast watching the robot tackle all of the challenges, and I will say that it did pass the challenge test. It was able to clean up all of my crazy messes. It feels good knowing that I can trust this robot to tackle any type of mess that my family may make or create throughout the day. And this was honestly one of my favorite parts, because most robots leave that annoying line of dirt right along the wall. This robot has true edge-to-edge cleaning with the True Edge 3.0. The roller extends up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body and glass along walls and baseboards, solving the classic problem of dust lines and missed corners. Robot also has great floor versatility. The 15mm roller lift supports dry and wet separation and helps protect carpets from wetting and cross-contamination for mixed floor homes. It's carpets first feature, plus customized carpet strategies, vacuum carpets while the roller is still dry, then mop hard floors, reducing carpet contamination risk. And if you've ever had to cut wrapped hair out of a robot, you will appreciate this vacuum cleaner, because the Airflow Directed Zero Tangle 4.0 system guides hair straight into the suction path instead of letting it wrap around the brush, ensuring 100% pickup of large debris, consistent performance, and no manual detangling. This robot also has several different smart features. The AIVI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance improves real home navigation around wires, toys, pet items, and furniture legs. It also has an AI agent that simplifies operation with one command cleaning. And it also has a minimalist app mode, which is the easy mode, which supports simpler control for seniors and accessibility needs, making daily use more effortless. Robot also comes with a station. The Omni station self-cleans the dirty water tank to prevent buildup and backflow, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the mop after every run. It washes itself and dries itself before it's ready for the next cleaning. About to start auto empty. Also, the robot can charge the 10% battery in just 3 minutes. It can recharge while cleaning the mop pads. This helps maximize cleaning by reducing the interruption between mopping cycles, making it ideal for larger homes. This is how I'd actually use it. Instead of spending time vacuuming and mopping the floors myself, I can focus on everything else that needs to get done around the house, laundry, cleaning, other different chores, decluttering, meal prepping, cooking. What impressed me the most wasn't just how well it cleaned the spills, it was how little I had to think about it afterward. Between the self-washing roller, edge cleaning, and hair pickup, it handled the everyday messes I'd normally clean myself. If you're looking for a robot that saves time while delivering a deep clean, especially in a busy family home, this one is definitely worth considering. I'd love to know what you test first in your house, whether it be pet hair, sticky kitchen messes, or those dusty baseboards. Let me know in the comment section. If you're considering purchasing this robot today, I will leave all of the information linked down below so you can check it out. You will not be disappointed.